And hello, and I wanted to record the crypto analysis for today or tomorrow, for the day after tomorrow, for every single day. You'll know what's going to happen because of my analysis. So let's see. Now we're having a bounce from the power of control, yearly power of control. We can see it's perfect bounce. So you could do like 50x, 60x, and you'll gain a lot. You would gain a lot because it bounced perfectly. It's bounce of about 5.3%, and now we are having some kind of movement downwards because we perfectly hit the 0.236 level. So from here we can expect either to go down to this golden pocket to this level 0.66, and from this level we will go up, or we can expect to go to 0.382 and then go down to this 0.66 level and then go up. That's what I believe in and why I will explain you now. So let's go to the daily. We can see it more clearly. Maybe we can go on a weekly time frame here. You will see something that nobody is showing to you, and yeah, let's see it together. So we have, if we merge if we connect the tops of from April to November, and we draw the parallel line to the previous bottoms in the June, we can find this line to be a good support. Also, we have here 0.66 level, which is from the history point of view good bounce point, which is in between 0.236 and 0.382 levels. And I'm telling you this because in the history, every single time we bounced somewhere from those two levels in between, from the golden pocket, from the 0.66 level mostly. So let me show you. All-time high at 2017 between 0.236, 0.382. We have 0.66 level, perfect bounce. That was the bottom, ultimate bottom. If we go to the all-time high at December of 2013, levels between 0.236, 0.382, golden pocket. Here we didn't touch the 0.66 level, but only 0.618 level, perfect bounce. Of course, here the first time we touched the 0.66, we had a big bounce up. So for sure I expect a big bounce. This was 50%, so yeah. But this is 2013, I don't count. The market was volatile then, but still everything is in confluence. Levels between 0.236 and 0.382. We have a golden pocket here. Here we came a little bit more down to 0.68786, but this was like, we cannot count this as a bear market, but if you count this as a bear market, still we are, as my theory is saying, between those 2 points we'll find those 2 lines, we'll find the place from where we will bounce, and that's mostly golden pocket. But here it happened that it's 0.786, but this wasn't all-time high back then. The all-time of 2013 was here in December, so yeah, we cannot count this, but if you want to count it anyway, it's in confluence with my theory. If we go back to all the way to June of 2018, all-time high, we will find the perfect place between those 2 lines from where we will bounce, and it will mostly be a golden pocket 0.66 line. So the devil numbers are the bottom, of course, because devil is in the hell and hell is the bottom of the earth, so yeah, it makes sense, right? So yeah, perfect bounce. And that's it all the way from the history. So you understand what I'm talking about. This is really in-depth analysis, and also I can predict approximately the highs. So if you take the line, this line is line from this top to this bottom, and we just put it on the top of this line when we break it, and as you can see, that was my estimation would be like 562, and it came to double. But yeah, it's a good point where to take profit, of course, those lines. Here, if we take from this line to this line, then when we broke the resistance line, we put that line here, and we can see that we came perfectly up to there. And then when we broke this line, then we have a new target from here to here. We place it up, as you can see. Let me show you. So this line is the line from here to here, as you can see. We put it here, a little bit up. So yeah, and that's the level of 12,000. It came up to 19,000, but yeah, it's a good take profit point. Now we are only looking the chart patterns. We are not looking any indicators. But if we merge these chart patterns with other indicators, we can find a better place to exit. So I wouldn't exit here on this red dot, because we see that this is the level we are looking for. So if we go up to this level, we will not close until the red dot appears. So it's here. So yeah, that would be the perfect place to short and to get all the profits from the spot. If we go to the history, let me show you the previous. So yeah, so we see here is the perfect point to take profit. Here we didn't touch it, so we will ignore it. Here we are far away from our takeaway profits, as you can see. So from here we will look the first red dot, and the first red dot appeared right here. So we will here take profit. And yeah, if we go back to the history, Yeah, that's it from the history point of view. So let me show you now the current situation. So we have the prediction. This one is if we draw the line from this line all the way to this line, and we put it on the top when we broke this line, we will get the levels everyone are expecting. That's 1,7805 for the Bitcoin, but it will not happen just right now. First, we needed to hit those levels. Those levels are, let me show you. So if we take it from here, from the white line, this white line, so we are in the some kind of the rising wedge, and we place it above the rising wedge line. So we broke, we retested, and then we went up. On the place of retest, we place it, and we see that we came perfectly to our price point. So now what we expect, we went down to retrace from this line, then we went up, we couldn't make a higher high all the way to here because we had a resistance there. The resistance is from the monthly, and yeah, it's here.